In this lecture, we will know about the various life forms or growth forms constituting a community ecology. There are important 5 types of growth forms or life forms. Likewise, phanerophytes, chemiophytes, hemicryptophytes, cryptophytes, and therophytes, depending upon the adaptation of the plant to the climate, that is, on the position of the perinating birds on the plant, whether these perinating birds are above on the plant surface, or they are embedded under the ground surface, or they are in the form of rhizomes, bulbs, or they are in the form of seeds. These are categorized into following 5 growth forms or life forms, that is phanerophytes, chemiophytes, hemicryptophytes, cryptophytes, and therophytes. First of all, phanerophytes. Their birds are naked, that is not covered, or if covered, only by a minute covering, that is scale. And most important point is that they are situated high up on the plant surface. They are commonly found in the tropical climates, and these perinating birds are found mostly in trees, shrubs, and herbs. The diagram, how these black color perinating birds present high up on the surface of the plant, that is, they are present very high above the ground level. Now moving on to chemiophytes. Their birds are situated close to the ground surface. They are common in high altitudes. One of the important example is Trifolium repens. Chemiophytes, as you can see in the diagram, the birds are more near to the ground or soil surface. Now, hemicryptophytes, their birds are hidden under the soil surface. That is, they are protected by the soil. Their shoots generally die every year, and they are found in very cold temperate zones. Example, some of the biennial, that is 2-year plants, or many year surviving plants, that is the perennial herbs. Hemicryptophytes, as you can see, the perinating birds are embedded under the soil surface, well protected under the soil surface. Now, cryptophytes or geophytes, geo relating to the soil, that is, their birds are completely hidden under the soil surface in the form of rhizomes, bulbs. Most of them are found in the arid zones. When the unfavorable condition comes, the entire plant dies off, and only the perinating birds in the form of these rhizomes, bulbs, or tubers survive embedded under the soil surface. These are found in hydrophytes. So, the cryptophytes and geophytes have their perinating birds embedded and hidden deep inside the soil surface. As you can see in the diagram, the rhizomes, tubers, and bulbs all under the category of life form, that is geophytes. Now, the 5th one is the therophytes. Here these plants are seasonal, and the entire plant dies off under unfavorable condition. Only its seeds survive and remain dormant for the arrival of the favorable condition. So here the perinating birds are seeds itself. That is all about the various life forms or growth forms we can study under the community ecology. Thank you.